What's going on, guys? Today we are going to be playing the Battle Cats. Now, if you don't know what the Battle Cats is, it's a sick game that I really hope you'll check out. It's free and it's an epic game where basically you can play as different cats. Hold on, I'll just turn the music down a bit. And basically, you have loads of chapters, the moon, I don't know after that. And then you've got event stages, which can help you get your cat food, which can basically help you get a lot. But because I've been playing this a butt ton, I have loads of experience and a lot of cat food, which will help you get cat capsules and rare cat capsules. Now, what we're going to do here is we're going to have a couple of matches. Now, as you can see, I have done out of 48, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. So I am nearly at the end of this chapter. So yeah, we are just going to do this chapter, and I hope you guys like and subscribe and enjoy. Callum won't be in a video until what's it? A Wednesday, I think, or Thursday. And yeah. So as you can see, I have a bunch of ones that are really expensive and two that aren't. These are defense and attack, and we have a kangaroo. Basically, Zeus is the strongest one, which I have. This one right here, can't remember what it's called, but it's also one of the strongest ones. We're just going to summon it. And it also it one-shots nearly everything. I'm not even kidding. But yeah. And there are a bunch of tall guys, like this guy, who, if you think is tall, nowhere near. I mean, just, you know, it ain't nowhere near to the tallest one. Fire. And I'm gonna show you the middle one in a minute. And if you haven't seen Hercules, the animated movie, then you'll know they had Titans. These are basically them, but Chinese version, because this is a Chinese game. And yeah, and I won. And you can level up your towers, your cats, and they can evolve. No, I'll just quickly show you. So what you can do, you can upgrade these. I'm just going to show you how you upgrade. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to the selective one. Say I wanted to upgrade the nerd cat. Now this means I get one extra level to it. So if I do this, it's now a hacker cat. And yeah, but because I've been playing it a lot before, yeah, it's gonna be like this. We've got the delinquent cat. I'm just gonna show you the cat toaster and the bubbish cat. We've got the aloe vera cat. I'm just gonna say that. And as you can see, it evolved early. And yes, we're gonna go back and we're gonna play some more until it finishes. This will be what, 10, maybe even 14-minute video. So I hope you guys really do enjoy. Remember, like and subscribe. And yeah, these are just to off-put the enemy until we can actually afford this. It's a cheap, strong one. I think it's same level as Zeus, the strongest god. Yeah, I've never actually got to Jamaica before, I think. So, yeah. Hopefully we can just defeat it with these guys. But, as you can see, long range, it doesn't start at this. That's normally 1,000. But, yeah. I'm just going to summon Yo. And give it some backup. Just in case. Look how strong it is, look. Over 5,000 damage, look. It's incredible. As you can see, it kills everything in its path. And there's a new cat to be waiting to be upgraded. I will show you that. The new cat is a special cat, which are rare and you need cat food for, which is where I got all these from. I know what cat in the box stands up to be. You got a Kung Fu cat, which is 240, which turns into the Drunken Master cat. And we got the Dom cat, which turns into a executioner. Right. So that's the Macho cat. It used to be just a normal cat, but then it evolved. Now we're going to Colombia. Hold on, I'm just going to check something. So yeah, we can also top energy up with cat food. And now we have 361 energy, which should last us a while. And yeah. If you want me to do any other videos on anything else, then just hold on. Just speak in the comment section down below, and yeah, I'll show you what the God Cat does. This little thing up here isn't an enemy. If you press it, it will come down, and it will give you Wrath of God, which will lightning strike enemies 3 times stronger than the cat cannon. You got God Bless You. All the enemies will be blown in the enemy's castle. That's how much it costs. You got Healing Oasis, health of the cat base and all cats to full. And you got the strongest one, Baby Boom, which produces as many cats as you want for 1 minute. Worker's cat level will be raised to max, which means I'm just going to press that, and you can see Zeus, the god, which is the biggest, strongest cat here. I know what you mean. Like, well, other than that, I mean, that can do anything. But you can't actually play as that one. Oh, bugger. Well, it looks like I just placed this dude. So now we have to wait. Blunk. But yeah, as you can see, that even dominates everything in this path. And I know what you're thinking. It's ugly. And look, just as you thought nothing else could get even bigger than that, it can. And yeah. See. Just going to give you a moment to watch. Look how strong this attack will do. That's how much it did. It nearly one-shots it. It does Zeus does over 16,000 damage. It's insane the amount of damage he does. This is your user rank award. I've collected loads. You get rewards from that. Now we're going to Brazil. Shout out to Callum Palmer. Good friend, good YouTuber. Check him out. Link in the description below. And yeah, please subscribe to him. He's a good mate. I've I've always known him since year 3, and we're close friends. And if you haven't seen his stuff he does, then I suggest you go do that, because he is a brilliant YouTuber. And yeah, he's just amazing. He's always been there for me. He won't be making videos for a couple of days though, because he has been grounded due to an incident that happened yesterday. If you haven't seen his latest video, go check that out and you'll know why he hasn't been out. See, that instantly killed it. Okay, he has so much health. He has over 20,000. Look at that. Look how mighty Zeus is. He can't even be killed. You see that? See all these attacks? They ain't doing nothing. Ain't. But we do need him just to advance a bit. So yeah, a little bit of backup. Look, it's the tallest one here. Ready? Compared to him, he's nothing. Nothing. Then we got Poseidon. Look how tall he gets. He gets well tall. But yeah. That does it for this episode, guys. If you want to see more of the Battle Cats, then say that in comment hashtag Battle Cats in the comment section down below. And thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, and of course,